So I'm planning on getting this second coated today with the zero rust, and also getting it sim sealed too as well. As you can see, there's like a little like opening right there where the metal skin meets the other metal, but it's not welded in there. Like I said, this is another day and looking clean. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it started today. What's that? Yeah, no, go for it, guys. Yeah. So anyways, so that's how it looks like. So it's taped it up. So just so we don't get the paint on there and you're gonna end up scrubbing it anyways. But more importantly is the, we're not gonna be doing the Raptor liner just yet today, because I'm gonna be focusing on getting this cleaned up, scrubbing it, clean it up, wipe it up with damp and warm water. Since this one is painted already, remember to go ahead and mask it if yours are painted too as well. So I did mine. I did on this one. So I did prep the other ones too as well.
Yeah, the rest of this, well, we could either pop it out more or just hit it with a hammer.
Sure.
I think we'll take it with a hammer.
Don't need a fan or anything, just hit it like that.
Yeah, just tap it down.
Boom!
That's right.
And old one is out. Time for a new one. You got the new one?
They're tucked away in my bag.
No, he's gonna get them powder coated and everything.
That's nice. Woo!
I did all moves.
A few moments later.
Finally done. Randy, what do you think, man?
Looks great.
It looks straight.
Looks great.
What do you think? You need to work harder, Ferran.
Hey, you don't
Dang, stop eating his food and don't quit asking for bathroom.
It's like, what are you doing? You don't want to be on YouTube.
Well, here's the
You got
update.
seam sealer in your hair.
And I have seam sealer in my hair, as you can see, and I've already done everything. So here it is. Ready, guys? Ready? That was you. You saw. I remember it was you. All right. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but you can see it looks very familiar from the other video. But yeah. So we're gonna let it sit there for. It's good for 24 hours. Let it dry up and everything. And that's what it looks like. Give you guys a little bit more view on this side too as well. Got everything in the front. It's a little messy, but that wouldn't matter once you actually lay the final coat, which is the Raptor liner. Guys, so we are here and show you guys a little bit of the update on the car. I think last time we left it off with doing the zero rust, so that will be the second coat. And let's get down here real quick, show you guys a little bit about what we got here. And so I've done the zero rust, and we also decided to paint the wheel wells too with the zero rust. Make sure we check the seam seal area here, like where the metal and where the gaps are at. So you kind of want to, and if we missed anything, any gaps, you don't want the water to be going through underneath, especially right here in this area. And you want to check both sides too as well. And we're gonna be starting to do the scuffing here in a moment. So before we do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and start masking the whole entire car here. So make sure you just scuff the whole thing here, all the white, zero rust where it's covered. So let's go ahead and mask the whole car up. Let's get started. Hey bro, help me. So here's the end result of the whole thing being now end result. We're gonna have to do some more, but in the bottom here, it's pretty much taped up. Get closer here. It's perfectly lined up. It's ready to be covered with the liner. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All the way around to the front. So hope you guys like what you see. Perfect. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's a little update on the car. From the other day, I've actually started doing the prep masking on the car, and the whole entire almost done with the prep masking. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see, it's kind of a little bit dark now, but it's still early, but it's just really cloudy today and it was raining, I guess. But here's what we got. And I kind of did the whole bottom thing already here, and that's already been cut right here already. The plastic, you can see it's ready to go. It's double mask already. The bottom part right there, it's a little different from the first I've done to my car. So this is because we're not detaching or uninstalling the rear bumpers. So the side skirt are also in on this one, and we didn't really want to touch that because for the customers requests, when you have a Type X OEM side skirt, there's bolts right here that you don't want to take out. There's like a bolt clip. Oh, it's a clip that actually attached to here. So when you have to, when everything is already painted and done, and you're doing some type of job like this, like on the undercarriage, you don't really want to take the headache. Go through the headache of taking this out, because you would have to purchase another clips to, might even damaging the side skirt brackets too as well. So they definitely want to do that. And yeah, so the undercarriage pretty much look like this right now, and I've also taped the sides too as well. The back, make sure you get the interior holes here and there. And let's go ahead and take a look around here. It's all covered up. The other side too as well. It can get a little tricky on this side of the rear panel, because you have this, when you have the rear bumper, you have to make some kind of template, or the taping and stuff are a little weird, but definitely you can, I'm pretty sure you could all figure it out how to make it. But this is how it looks like. There's that. And so now we're here in the front. This one should be really simple. So basically, it's a little different from from mine. The customer actually wanted liner to be higher. So we're gonna start from here, and we're gonna cover up this much, and also this portion too as well will also be sprayed too as well. And there's that. And this area. So yeah, you kind of guesstimate on how much you're gonna need to mask this area, and also in this area, and that one too as well. So you want to cover this area right here. Make sure you mask tape on this also as well. You don't want to get all that paint in there. So we're gonna continue on and go and start masking those, and we'll keep you updated.